Royal Enfield. Two-wheelers. Manufacturing company. Loction, Vallam, Chennai. Gender, male. Qualifications. 10th, 12th, 80, any degree, and diploma only. Age limit, 18 முதல் 35 வரை. Freshers experience. Department. 1. Production. 2. Quality. 3. Assembly. 4. Maintenance. 5. Store. Shifts. Rotational shift, 3 shifts. Timing. A 7 to 3. B 3 to 11. C 11 to 6 a.m. Salary 19,000. Qualifications, working hours based. Per hour 150. Job role, trainee. Benefits. Free working time, food, room support, PF, ESI and bonus will be provided. Accommodation provide company nearby. Contact 9585118212